So, you want to open up your awning. First thing that you're going to do is grab your provided awning kit.
Step number 2, unzip your awning. Step number 3, unstrap. Step number 4, open up. Step 5, out of your little awning kit provided, you're gonna grab this little guy right here. You're gonna reach up and grab this little loop and stick it through. Step 6, let's go ahead and get this thing tied up. Now you've got your awning set up. The only other thing here is these legs right here. This is a freestanding awning, so these are completely optional if it's maybe super high wind or you want to do it. But essentially you drop just like that, and off you go. There are 3, so one there, one right here. All right, so you want to close down your awning. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that. Follow along. Step 1, let's go ahead and get this untied. Now that that's done, pull that right through. Step number 3, let's get this thing rolled up. Now, one thing to mention that you shouldn't forget about is there are these straps along the back. You'll want to reach over and actually pull these guys out before you start the strap, otherwise it's just going to get stuck in there. So let's go ahead and get this thing rolled up. We're going to essentially start from the bottom and roll all the way up, all 3 together. Next step is going to be reaching over, getting these straps, pulling the Velcro through nice and tight, and strapping it in. Pretty simple stuff. We got this, back through. Last step, going to be just zip right up.